This video I will explain top-up health insurance versus super top health insurance. Why do you need extra health insurance? Medical costs are increasing every year. Sometimes a normal health insurance policy may not be enough for very expensive treatments. Let's take a simple example. Suppose your health insurance covers 5 lakh, but your hospital bill becomes 10 lakh. Now you must arrange the extra 5 lakh yourself. To solve this problem, the insurance companies provide top-up health insurance and super top-up health insurance. What is deductible? Before understanding top-up and super top-up plans, you must know one important term called deductible. Deductible means the amount that must be covered first before the top-up or super top-up insurance start paying. This deductible amount can be paid by your base health insurance policy or by you from your own pocket. Now we will see what is top-up health insurance. A top-up health insurance plan gives extra coverage only when one single hospital bill crosses the deductible amount. How top-up insurance work? Suppose base insurance is 5 lakh, top-up plan is 10 lakh and deductible is 5 lakh. Now imagine one hospital bill becomes 8 lakh. Then first 5 lakh gets covered by your base insurance or by you. Remaining 3 lakh gets covered by the top-up plan. Important point about top-up. Top-up insurance works only for one large hospital bill. Now we will see the real-life example. Imagine you visit the hospital once and the total bill becomes 9 lakh. Then first 5 lakh gets covered, remaining 4 lakh gets paid by the top-up plan. But now imagine different situation. Suppose you have first hospital bill 3 lakh, second hospital bill 3 lakh. Each bill is below the 5 lakh deductible. In this case, the top-up plan may not help. What is super top-up health insurance? A super top-up health insurance plan gives extra coverage when your total medical expenses in 1 year cross the deductible amount. This is the biggest difference. Super top-up checks the total yearly expenses, not just one single bill. How super top-up insurance works? Suppose deductible is 5 lakh. Now your medical expenses from different hospital visits are added together during the year. Real life example of super top-up. In 1 year, first hospital bill is 3 lakh. Second hospital bill is 3 lakh. Now total expenses become 6 lakh. Then the first 5 lakh gets covered by your base insurance or by you. Remaining 1 lakh gets covered by the super top-up plan. Important point about super top-up. Super top-up insurance works on total yearly medical expenses, not just one hospital bill. Now we will see the difference between top-up and super top-up. Coverage style. Top-up insurance works only for one single large bill. Super top-up insurance works on total medical expenses during the year. Practical use. Top-up insurance useful for one major hospitalization. Super top-up insurance useful for multiple hospital visits. Flexibility. Top-up insurance more limited coverage. Super top-up insurance more flexible and practical. Which one is better? Most people choose super top-up insurance. Why? Because medical expenses can happen multiple times in 1 year. Total yearly expenses are usually more important than one single bill. So super top-up often gives better overall protection. Now we will see the summary. Top-up plan helps with one large hospital bill. Super top-up plans helps when total yearly medical expenses become high. Deductible is the amount covered first before extra insurance start paying. Deductible can be paid by your base insurance or by you.